Most investigation trainings teach you how to follow steps. This certification course teaches you how to use judgment. I created the MWI-C, Certified Human-Centered Workplace Investigator, because compliance and checkboxes aren't the ceiling, they're the minimum. This is for experienced investigators who are ready to raise the bar, people who've already conducted at least 25 independent investigations and know the work isn't black and white, it's art plus science. Inside the certification course, you'll get judgment frameworks, decision-making rubrics, and real-world video scenarios, the kind of challenges you actually face on the job. And yes, there's a rigorous exam because this isn't just a course, it's a credential. I'm Patty Perez, and I'm an attorney, investigator, and HR professional. I've led over 1,200 workplace investigations since 1992, drafted California's workplace investigation regulations, served as an expert witness, and trained hundreds of investigators across industries and around the globe. MWI-C is the standard I wish existed decades ago. If you're ready to lead with credibility, not just compliance, join me, because now fairness isn't just a value, it's a credential.